Hi, I'm Rebecca Ray. I'm the Assistant Dean for Admissions and Financial Aid here at the University of Illinois College of Law. Welcome to our third installment of our What Will Your Illinois Law Story Be? I'm here with our 3L, Shalyn Caulley. Shalyn, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Shalyn Caulley. I'm a 3L student at the College of Law.
Where did you go to undergrad?
I went to undergrad at Bradley University in Peoria, Illinois.
Okay, and you've had received a number of outside scholarships during your time here at the College of Law. If you could, tell us a little bit about those scholarships and the application process and what those scholarships have meant to you.
Yeah. So I've received 4 scholarships outside of the College of Law to help fund my tuition and books. The first one that I received was the Walker J Scholarship. I got that one because my dad was a union worker, and this is a scholarship that's provided to students whose parents were in a union in the state of Illinois, so it could have been any type of union, and it was to promote them to have the opportunity to go to law school. So for that one, I just wrote a letter that stated kind of my parents' history, my history, and then why I was interested in going to the College of Law. And I have continued to receive that scholarship, which is really great. And they even after this year increased the amount I got because of continuing with law school and doing well.
Good.
Yeah. So the next scholarship that I got was the Celia M. Howard Fellowship Scholarship. That one I applied for 1L and then got 2L year. That is probably my favorite scholarship. It is kind of a long process to apply for. You similarly write a letter saying what you would like to do with a law degree, why you pursued that, what your interests are. You need to get a few letters of recommendations. And then after that process, if you're selected, then you are interviewed by a panel of 10 women who are mostly attorneys, but some are just like business women. And after that, you learn whether or not you got the scholarship. So I did receive it, which was fantastic. They send, I think it's close to $100,000 in scholarships to just the College of Law alone every year. So that's fantastic. And I actually ended up making really good relationship with one of the women on the panels, Judge Walker.
Oh, great.
And ended up interning with her. So
she's also an alum.
Yeah. Yeah. So I got a scholarship and a job out of it. So that was fantastic. The other 2 that I received, one I got for the first time this year in my 3rd year, was the H.H. Harris Foundation Scholarship. And that was set up for students who are, paying their way through college or law school or whatever it may be, and who may need help paying for books and things of that nature. So that was really great. And then the last one was the Novick Scholarship, which is also set up just straight through the College of Law. So it's only available to College of Law students.
Okay. And where did you find out about these scholarships, just kind of generally speaking?
Yeah. So honestly, I learned about all of them through the College of Law.
Oh,
yeah. So we get emails regularly and there's a website for it and everything. So at this point, I now have enough to cover everything so I can quit looking at those pages. But at the time, I would just kind of scroll through and see, maybe I'm qualified for that one, maybe I don't. They each have different, needs. So
great. And what would you tell somebody thinking about applying to the University of Illinois College of Law?
Yeah. What I would say is my favorite aspect of being at the College of Law is the community feel of it. I know a lot of people who go to school, and law school particularly in bigger cities, and a lot of times they don't get to know a lot of their classmates. Everyone's kind of commuting from different areas, and there isn't a lot going on. Here at the College of Law, everyone is together all the time, and they do a lot together, and it's kind of a nice place to be, a nice community feel in Urbana. So
great. Excellent. Well, thanks for joining us today, and thanks. You. Bye.
Thanks.